Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add environmental variables in Vercel. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Vercel and then log into your account, make sure you are logged into your account and then navigate to the dashboard and go to your projects. Now all you need to do is just to select a project. Press on the three dots for the project that you want to add the environmental variables to that project, and then go to settings. Now you can see environment variables. All you need to do is just scroll down. In order to add environment variable, just press on add environment variable. If you need to delete or edit or copy to clipboard or anything, this is the actions that you can do on the already put in environmental variables. When adding environment variables, try to name it something accurate so you can know that variable belongs to which function. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.